So this video is about how to replace and repair your mouse scroller. The connection of mouse scroller is with that red electronic thing which rotates when we rotate the wheel. Here my mouse wheel was broken, so I opened the screws and unscrewed the mouse. The mechanical connection of this wheel with the electronic mouse was broken, so I took out that wheel and with the help of Fevistick and Feviquick and some heating process, I could replace my mouse wheel and repair it. So now my mouse is working fine and it has been repaired for a temporary purpose. So this was some other mouse which I opened in order to look how the connection is made between the electronic scroller and the wheel in order to repair the mouse. So in this way you can also repair